Hello, I'm Jeff Brown, a potential candidate with Google, and I'm sitting here with Greg Vickerman, IT Director for Larimer County. And I thought I'd take a brief opportunity to ask him his impressions of Google Apps and his experience. Greg?
Well, we've been on it now for about, let's say 8 months, and I've always enjoyed Google and Gmail and used it for home for years, and like a lot of people around here. And frankly, I was the director of the whole conversion from Google, or to Google rather, and it's something that I naturally adapt to. I really enjoy the chat features. I'm glad that people have adopted to using uh, their inbox as such for chat. Like people that are here use their greens and they set their statuses and people have fun with it. And I use the priority inbox. I could turn it on or off, and the boomerang feature. I use a lot of different features in here.
Oh, like I said, a lot of Google Docs sharing. Yeah, catch you up right
Yeah,
here.
yeah, you bet. I mean, here's my Google Docs list, and I have a number of collaborative documents going on. I'm sharing with people at a collection level, and we have a couple projects where we're developing charters or even doing some analysis on data, where I have people. I will chat with them to say, hey, why don't you get on with me, and I'm going to run some things and get your ideas and your input and change it as we go. I do have the Cloud Connect feature now. So I have, all my Microsoft work that I do on my local disk from Word or Excel. I go ahead and either automatically sync to Google and share with other people, and then they can use their Microsoft products.